More than 77% of organizations report that leadership is lacking. That is just too much. Come on, this is not good. So we have to make sure that leadership is something that is in focus. So with Leadership in Manufacturing podcast, I'm interviewing different industry leaders within distribution, manufacturing sector, and also the manufacturing reps. So check it out. This is a good place to start, learn from the industry leaders. And I love the last question I'm always asking is, what kind of advice would you give yourself if you look back 10 or 20 years ago? Some of the answers is you have to listen, you have to ask questions, you have to be more bold. Check it out. I'm learning every time I have an interview with one of these industry leaders, and I want to share these learnings with you guys. So check it out on YouTube. It's called Leadership in Manufacturing, or check out the website. It's leadershipinmanufacturing.com. Stay curious, keep learning. See you online.